Okay, this is for the air filter change on this Mercedes. So just remove this, just pull it up. There you go. It has 4 clips. 1, 2, and then these 2 bars. Put it aside. Then I'm gonna remove this hose right here, this air intake right here. If you're changing the oil as well, this is the cap for the oil, and I use this wrench for it. I bought it at AutoZone, 76 millimeter 14 flute. Goes like that. And the specs on this say, when I put it back on, is 25 Newton meters. And then for removing this, move that clip off right there. And then before that, remove this intake here, move it out of the way, and then all this just push up right there, right there. And there's another one back here. There. There's clip-ins for it. See, these are the clipping points. 1, 2, 3, and 4 right there. Now the filters go inside these boxes, and I'm using a T25. So as you can see, I removed one side and the air filter was incredibly filthy, so I'm going to change it. And the other one, using the T25 torque screwdriver. This one, the points are for the screws are right here, 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 and here. And then once you remove them, then this comes out really easy. And I can see that this one as well is extremely dirty. Yeah, so it will need to be replaced. It's recording already, so this is the installation of the air filters. Installation is really simple, so just go the same way as before. It starts with the back. So you fit that on that intake area, and then you just push the clips. There you go. And here's the clip in the back. Things already in place. Put this one back in there. Now this is the cover. I already did the oil change like I explained in the beginning. Again, I have a special wrench for this one, and I gave the numbers before. It's 25 Newton meters for the pressure on this. Start with the back on the clips, and then the front. I did the oil change. Oil took about 8.5 quarts. It's all clean, and I don't know what they were using before, but I like to use the Mobil 1 European. That means the specs for European cars being Mercedes Benz. Actually, it's right here on the sticker. You should use Mobil 1. So that's a full service for this car.